Hello viewers, welcome to our lesson for today. We are going to look at, given that y is equal to 2x squared minus 4x plus 3, find the x, the y. And this is under calculus. And calculus, basically, we are looking at two things. We differentiate and integrate. But this our problem today, we are going to look at how to differentiate this y function with respect to x. Now here is our solution. The function y is equal to 2x squared minus 4x plus 3. And basically, when you are differentiating, we use two of the basic operations. We use multiplication and subtraction. Now, the y dx is equal to, and also when we are differentiating, we differentiate term by term. This first term, second term, third term, in that order. So we begin with our first term. What we do is that you take the exponent, that's the power, multiplied by the coefficient. This our case, 2 is our coefficient, so we write 2 times 2 in bracket like this. We bring our variable, which is x. Then we will reduce the exponents by 1. That is the first step. Then we have minus. Now here, this x here, our coefficient, our exponent is 1. So therefore, we multiply that 1 by 4. So we have 4 times 1 in brackets. Then we bring our variable. Then we reduce the power by 1. So it will be x raised to the power 1 minus 1. Now, we come to the third term, which is a constant. And anytime you differentiate a constant, the result is 0. I'll explain why. As it is standing, ideally, this one is supposed to be like 3x raised to the power 0. But in indices, it is a rule that any number that raised to the power 0, any number except 0 raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. So with this case, our x raised to the power 0 is the same as 1. And 1 times 3 is 3. That is why it is written as 3 here. Now, to differentiate it, or to explain why when we differentiate a constant, the result is always 0, is that assuming we had 3x raised to the power 0, based on our principle of differentiation, here we have to multiply the exponent, which is 0, by coefficient, which is 3. So it will be 3 multiplied by 0. Then we'll bring our variable. Then we'll have 0 minus 1, as we already do the exponent by 1. So now, looking at this, 3 times 0 is 0. So x raised to the power 0 minus 1, whatever will be the result, multiplied by that 0, we'll get 0. That is why we say anytime you differentiate a variable, so anytime you differentiate a constant, the result is always 0. Now, let's go further to simplify our answer. So the y dx is equal to 2 times 2 will give us 4. Now, this is our x. 2 minus 1 will give us 1. So therefore, we know that it will be 4x. Minus. Now here, 4 times 1 will give us 4. Now, 1 minus 1 will give us 0. So therefore, x will be x raised to the power 0. And as it is said, any number except 0 raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. So therefore, that 1 times 4 will still give us 4. That's why here we give us 4. And here it is 0, so let's bring our 0 here. And this is our answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.